Now today I am going to discuss the graph of y is equal to sec x. Before I already discussed the graph of y is equal to cosec x. So see here the graph of y is equal to sec x. Graph of y is equal to sec x. And sec x we can write 1 by cos x. So see here in the first quadrant at x and y. So when x equal to 0, so cos 0 is 1. So 1 by 1 is 1. Cos 30 here 30 degree, 45 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. This is your first quadrant. Now 120 degree, 135 degree, 150 degree, 180 degree. Here this is the third quadrant, second quadrant. Now 180 plus 20, 210 degree, 225 degree, 240 degree, 270 degree. This is your third quadrant. Now fourth quadrant here. Three hundred 315 degree, and here 270 plus 60, 330 degree, 360 degree. Fourth quadrant. So see here, first quadrant 0 to 90 degree. First quadrant 0 to 90 degree. Second quadrant 90 to 180 degree. Here 180 degree to 270 degree. This is the third quadrant, and here 270, 360 degree. So here 330, 360 degree. Now I am going to find out all the values, and you know that how to find out the value. So see here, cos 30 degree. So cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2, when you will take here 1 by cos 30 degree. So cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So 1 by here root 3 by 2. So 2 will become up. So here 2 by root 3. So this will become 2 by root 3. Now 45 degree. So here 1 by cos 45 degree. 1 over 1 by root 2 become root 2. Now 60 degree, 1 by cos 60 degree, and cos 60 degree is 1 by 2 become here 2. Cos 90 degree, here cos 90 degree, and cos 90 is 0. So 1 by 0 is infinity. So it become positive infinity. Now cos 120 degree. So see here, cos 1 into 90 plus 30. So cos change into sine. So here become minus sine 30 degree. So see here, So minus sin 30 degree, sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. So here become minus 1 by 2. You can direct also find out sec. If you want to find out sec here 120 degree. So see here sec 1 into 90 plus 30, sec change into cosec 30 degree, and cosec 30 degree is sec change into cosec. So cosec 30 degree is 1 by 2. So here sec change into cosec lies in second quadrant is negative. So here become negative cosec 30 degree, and cosec 30 degree is 2. So here become minus 2. Not here minus 2 because you have to change this one. Here become minus 2. Now we have to find out here 135 degree. Either you can convert into sec into cos 1 by cos, or direct you can find out. So see here sec 135 degree. So sec 1 into 90 degree plus 45 degree. So sec change into cosec 45 degree. So which quadrant lies? This lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant sec is negative. So here become cosec 45 degree root 2. So become here minus root 2. So now here sec 150 degree. So sec 1 into 90 plus 60 degree. So sec change into cosec 60 degree, and lies in second quadrant negative, and cosec 60 degree is equal to 2 by root 3. So become here minus 2 by root 3. Now here sec 180 degree. So sec 2 into 90 plus 0 degree. Here no change, sec 0 degree. So lies here sec is positive first quadrant and fourth quadrant. First and fourth quadrant. Here sec is negative. So 180 degree. So here become minus. So sec 0 degree is 1. So become minus 1. So here minus 1. Now coming to the 210 degree. So see here 210 degree. Now find out 210 degree. So sec 210 degree. So we can write here sec 2 into 90 plus 30. So no change, sec 30 degree. Now lies in third quadrant. This is third quadrant. So in third quadrant sec is negative. So minus sec 30 degree is minus. Here become minus 2. Sec 30 degree. Sec 30 degree is how much? Sec 30 degree is root 2 by root 3. So become minus 2 by root 3. Sec here cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So sec 30 degree is 2 by root 3. So here 2 by root 3 and minus sign. So minus 2 by root 3. Minus 2 by root 3. Similarly you will get here minus root 2. Then after you will get minus 2. Then after see here. When you go here 270 degree. So 270 degree sec 270 degree. So see here sec 3 into 90 degree plus 0 degree. So sec change into cosec 0 degree, Now cosec 0 means infinity is here, 1 by sine 0 degree, and sine 0 is 0. So 1 by 0 is infinity. But if you see here 269.999, it means you lie in the 269.999 lie in third quadrant. In third quadrant sec is negative. So sec is negative. So here become negative sign and become minus infinity. So here become minus infinity. See here, 3 into 90 plus 0 degree, sec change into cosec 0 degree, and if you will take in a neighborhood of 270 from here left hand side, from the here, suppose 269.9, not approximate 270, slightly less than 270, 269.999, it means near about the 270 from left hand sides. So the become here minus infinity. You can check in calculator also. When you put 269.99, the value become very large with negative sign. Now sec here 300 degree. So 300 degree lies in fourth quadrant. So in fourth quadrant sec is positive. So here become your sec 300 degree means sec 3 into 90 plus 70, 3 into 90 270 plus here 30 degree. So sec change into cosec 30 degree, lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant sec is positive, here positive sign. So sec 30 degree and cosec 30 degree, cosec 30 degree is your 2. So here become 2. Then after you will get root 2. Then you will get 2 by root 3. Then here will get when 360 degrees, here sec 360 degree, it means sec 4 into 90 degree plus 0. So it means no change, sec 0 degree, and sec 0 here, sec 360 degree. So 360 degree, sec 0 is 1. Here become 1. Now we are going to draw the graph of this. Now I am going to draw the graph here, quadrant. Here 0, here 90 degree, (180 degree), 270 degree, 360 degree. Here 1, this side minus 1, here x dash, here x, this is y, here y dash. So now start from here 0 degree. So see here, in this quadrant, in first quadrant, it is increasing, value is increasing and towards going infinity, See here, when 0 degree, the value is 1. 0 degree, value is 1. Here 90 degree is infinity. Now when slightly greater than 90, slightly greater than 90, you lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sec is negative. Sec is negative in second quadrant. If you take 90.0001 means slightly greater than 1, it means you reach in quadrant second quadrant. In second quadrant sec is negative. So here become, so it means value, numerical value will be more with negative sign. It means here will be minus infinity. Here will be minus infinity. So graph will be here minus infinity, and 90 degree means slightly greater than 90, slightly greater than 90. When 180, you will reach here minus 1. So here minus 1. So curve will go like this. Here 180 degree minus 1. 180 degree minus 1. Now you reach in quadrant third. In quadrant third, see here, the value is here increasing. See here, minus infinity to minus 1. Minus infinity to minus 1. Here slightly greater than 90 is minus infinity. And going towards minus 1. It means value is increasing. Here value is increasing. Now in third quadrant cosec is sec is negative. Third quadrant sec is negative. So see here. Now then after minus 1, again in third quadrant here decreasing. When near about 270 from left side, 269.999. So value will be, numerical value will be more with negative sign. It means the value is decreasing and going towards infinity, minus infinity. So here become minus infinity. Minus infinity. Minus infinity. Now you enter in the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, so see here, the value is now increasing. Value is increasing and coming towards here 1. So see here 270 degree, here 270. So slightly greater than 270, slightly greater than 270 will be very, very large and positive value. Why? Because 270.001 lies in fourth quadrant. You entered in fourth quadrant. So the value will be very, very large. And it means infinity. So your value will be very, very large and towards here 1. So this is, so here 360 degree and here 1. Here this side is here minus infinity, here 200 minus infinity, here angle is here 270, less than, slightly less than 270, here is minus infinity. Slightly, so you can So direct you can write here minus infinity going towards minus infinity. Here minus infinity, it means here from the 89.99, here 90.001, here 269.99999, like this, and here 270.0001. So you will get numerical value will be more. Here 360 degree, then 1. So see here the graph is, there is no graph between here -1 to 1. See here there is no graph between -1 to 1. In between there is no graph. So now see here the graph is increasing. Graph is increasing in first quadrant. Here decreasing. Here decreasing. Here from, if you go from this side to here, from this side to here, okay, from here to this side, it means the value is decreasing. So domain, so now we have to find out now domain. What is the domain and what is the range? Now see here, x is equal to pi by 2. Here x is equal to pi by 2. The fx is not defined. When x is equal to pi by 2, x equal to pi by 2, it is coming infinity. Here x is equal to 270, means 3 pi by 2. X equal to 3 pi by 2. Here coming minus infinity, it means not defined. So see here, so 1, 3, similarly will become 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, like this will go. It means when you will take the arithmetic progression, so Tn is equal to A is 1, Tn A plus n, so n minus 1 into D, the common difference is 2. So see here 1 plus 2n minus 1, here 2n minus 2, 2n minus 2, so it means 2n minus 1. So the next one will be 2n minus 1, means here see here you can write 2n minus 1 or 2n plus 1. So it either 2n minus 1 or 2n plus 1, you will get the odd number 1, 3, 5, 7. So like this you will get. It means domain is the set of all real number. So domain of this one, y is equal to sec x, df is equal to set of all real number except 2n plus 1 pi by 2. 2n plus 1 pi by 2. We have not taken 2n minus 1 because here our starting from here 90 degree. N is equal to 0, so you will get here pi by 2. N is equal to 1, you will get 3 pi by 2. N is equal to 2, you will get 5 pi by 2. So at this point function is fx is equal to sec x is not defined. So domain is the set of all real number except minus 2n plus 1 by pi by 2. And range, see here range, it is clear already. Range RF is your going from minus infinity. So y belongs to open interval minus infinity to minus 1 is here union 1 to infinity. So this is here. So now domain is the set of all real number except minus 2 and plus 1 by pi by 2, and range means y belongs to minus infinity to minus 1, minus infinity to minus 1, and 1 to infinity. Here it is infinity. 1 to infinity. So range is minus infinity to minus 1. Here it is close interval, here open interval, union, close interval, 1 to infinity. So this is the domain and this is the range